Today we've got a vehicle that's come in part exchange. This is a 2014 on a 63 plate Volvo B11R Caetano Levante 2. So the Levante 2 apparently is the first Levante 2, or one of the very first Levante 2s into the UK in 2014. It's got excellent tyres and the usual Alcoa alloys, hand coats on there, massive luggage space. Levante 2 has manual lockers on the off side and automatic lockers on the near side. Around to the back, as you can see, it's very nice bodywork. It's had a full respray just recently. Really clean, tidy vehicle with the Alcoas. Automatic lockers on this side. These two here are auto lockers. As we go inside, the PSVAR element is in the step. It's got the electronic destinations, Hannover destinations, which we can program. So the lift is here in the step. Right, as we go inside, the usual Levante Volvo dash, 1.3 million Ks. It was new to Traveller's Choice. Initially did a National Express and then it went on into their private hire fleet. Now it's got 51 Finzer recliners, these Finzer seats, which are really robust and really do last well. Very few issues with them. But it's in this red and cream Moquette, which is very different to the usual leather National Express, which sort of goes a bit shiny and sort of fades as time goes by. So this feels a bit more coach-like, and these two seats are removable on the runners rather than the usual magic seat that you'd have on a National Express. So there we are, quick recap. 2014 Volvo B11R Euro 5 Caetano Levante 2 with 13 months MOT till middle of December 2024. Thank you.